Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 2 of voyage number 12 and it is the last voyage before we cross over to Europe, which I am so excited for. That's a 14-day transatlantic cruise from Fort Lauderdale, Florida all the way to Barcelona. I'm so excited for that. I've been out of quarantine for about 4 days and I've had about 2 days to fully learn the entire show. It's definitely been a lot on my brain. It's kind of like exploding, but in the best way, because oddly enough, I like being under pressure. I kind of enjoy being stressed out. It gives me this like adrenaline kick. So I'm kind of thriving right now under the pressure. The cruise ship is fully running, so there's passengers, there's guests, there's other shows happening, there's a singer on stage at this time, a performer happening here, there's all kinds of things happening in our theater. So we haven't had a ton of stage time. Actually, the only time I've gotten to be on stage was last night from 10:30 to like 1:30 in the morning, which was late, but I'm used to doing crazy late nights. My studio was also crazy, so it's just the life of a dancer and a performer. You just do the things, you know, you just get it done. So today we get all the props, all the cast on stage for the first time with me. Full out, with feeling, full face, full body, full extension, because I want to give my body and brain the most realistic show that it's going to get in the day and a half. So, let's go to rehearsal. Unfortunately, yesterday our stage time got cut. So, I didn't get to do the full show with the cast or block really that much. I decided to get ready. I'm in my Easter colors today, in my green. Actually, both of these things are from Halara, these shorts. Down. This top is from Halara, little pastel mint green turquoise, and so are these shorts. They're also from Halara, like a sage-ish clover green. It's the day that we are actually going to block the entire show with the full cast and then do a full tech run. So it's like blocking, tech run, and then tomorrow is tech run, show. So wish me luck. It's gonna be great. I'm excited. It's a great challenge. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's go get some coffee. Ah, thank you. It's a little bit like washed off now, but he wrote my name in cursive and a little happy face for Easter. And he gave me a little bit of extra oat milk in case my cold brew, the pinky. In case the cold brew is too strong. But don't worry, I'm gonna share it with Benji, because if I drank this whole coffee right now, I would not be okay. Green? Green, we always match, unintentionally.
Green is the color of the day.
It is.
Earth
Happy
tones.
Easter.
Earth tones.
Happy Easter for the earth tones.
Yeah, remember on this one, this is the one where they switch. So,
What is up? We just finished the tech run. We got through all of the blocking, which was great. Got through the blocking. Hey! This is Emily. Hey guys, what's up? How'd our tech run go?
So good. You killed it.
Thank you. We have another one tomorrow and then 2 shows tomorrow?
2 shows.
2 shows
Diving
tomorrow.
straight in. You're a champion.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
shoes. I can put them back. I'm feeling good. And I've got my sunnies in the bin. In the cubby. Got my ballroom shoes. These are actually Amanda's ballroom shoes, but they're already broken in, so I've just been using these because mine are like rocks. And Benji's a doll. He already preset my jackets and my little space. Now I'm going to go save this coffee for tomorrow. And then I'm gonna change so I don't get these clothes too much more sweaty. And then I'm gonna go on a run with Benji, get some cardio in. And we're gonna eat, and I'm gonna think about my life. And then we're gonna sleep, and then we're gonna wake up, and we're gonna do it all again tomorrow.